नमस्कार, I am Dr. Saraswati Agrawal, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, JDV Girls College, Kota. Now I am taking a class MSc, third semester, paper third, unit first, CC disconnection. CC disconnection पढ़ने से पहले हम ये देखेंगे कि कोई भी रिएक्शन कैसे होती है. When a reactant react with the reagent to form a product is called a reaction. In chemical reaction there are many bonds break down and many more bonds are formed. So that is the process in which bond breaking and making process. In CC disconnection we can say that the disconnection are the reverse of synthetic steps or a reaction, and for every disconnection we must have a real and workable reaction for affecting the corresponding reconnection. So the disconnection may be called retrosynthetic analysis or the retrosynthesis. So the retrosynthesis or the synthesis backward, it is denoted by a arrow denotation, or we can say that it is a logical approach for designing organic synthesis which involves breaking down of the difunctionalized group, which is the target molecule, into available starting material by imaginary breaking of bonds or by functional group interconversion. FGI is known as the disconnection approach. So the disconnection is denoted by a double line arrow called a retrosynthetic arrow, is commonly used to indicate the reaction written backward. So the actual reaction is in inverse. Disconnection, in that case, which reagent is best on only be determined by experimentation. Synthons needs to be replaced by reagents in a suggested synthesis. So let us take the example of paracetamol, which is an amide and can be disconnected either to amine and acyl chloride or to amine and ethanoic anhydride, which is more commonly called the acetic anhydride. So the डिस्कनेक्शन पढ़ने के लिए हमें कुछ टर्म्स की आवश्यकता होती है जिनको हम पहले डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. These terms are TM or the target molecule. Target molecule, the molecule to be synthesized, or disconnection and imaginary bond breaking corresponding to the reverse of a real reaction. Functional group interconversion, the process of interconverting one functional group into another during retrosynthetic analysis. Synthons and idealized fragments resulting from a disconnection. Synthetic equivalent, a real chemical compound carrying out the function of a synthon. So there are many type of disconnections we can classify in that way. Cyclization reactions, other specific reactions. In CC disconnections and CX disconnections. CC disconnections may be categorized in two ways: one group CC disconnection and two group CC disconnections. Similar way, CX disconnection may be categorized in two ways: one group CX disconnections and two group CX disconnections. So the explanation of disconnection we can take a more common example with Diels-Alder reaction. Diels-Alder reaction is a most important reaction in organic synthesis because it makes 2 CC bond in one step and because it is regio and stereo selective. So it is pericyclic cycloaddition 4+2 cycloaddition between a conjugated diene and an alkene, always forming a 6-membered ring, which is cyclohexene. The dienophile in Diels-Alder reaction may contain a triple bond instead of a double bond. It is possible. So in general, the most reactive dienophiles have the alkene double bond conjugated to some electron withdrawing group, while the more common reactive dienes have electron donating alkyl groups bonded to the double bonds. The example, we can see that there is a 2-group disconnection because it can be carried out only when both features, that is cyclohexene and electron withdrawing group, are present in the right relationship. We can see in that example. Let us discuss the stereospecificity and stereoselectivity. Stereospecificity, Diels-Alder reaction occurs in one step so that neither diene nor dienophile has time to rotate and stereochemistry of each remain preserved in the product. Thus, with respect to the dienophile and the diene, the addition is stereospecific and always syn. It means that the Diels-Alder reaction is stereospecific. The cis dienophile gives the cis product and the trans dienophile gives the trans product. In that reaction, we can see that the trans dienophile react to gives the trans product. And then we can discuss the endoselectivity. The other stereochemical aspect of Diels-Alder reaction is endoselectivity, and this is the stereoselective aspect. The two products are called exo and endo. These terms refer to the relationship between the Z group of the dienophile and the double bond. In the new cyclohexene ring, most of the time the addition is predominantly endo, that is, the more bulky size of the Z group of the dienophile is under the ring. The role of the electron withdrawing Z group in the dienophile is to attract the diene through space in the endo transition state. So we will get the endo product. Thank you so much.